Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll cover how to downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. If you tried the new Windows 11 and you didn't like the performance or the changes that Microsoft made to the operating system, there is a chance for you to downgrade to Windows 10. Now first open Settings, then go to Windows Update. From here you can click on Update History and scroll down until you find the recovery options. In the recovery options you will find three options: Reset, Advanced Startup, and also Go Back. Clicking on Go Back will let you downgrade to Windows 10 if you want. I don't have that option. You must do it in the first 10 days since you installed the new Windows 11. If it's been more than 10 days, then you can't downgrade to Windows 11. And also if you removed the previous files of Windows 10, like Windows old folder, you won't be able to downgrade to Windows 10, but that's not a big problem. You can visit the Microsoft website and download the Windows 10 operating system. You can use the Windows 10 installation media to flash the ISO file to your USB flash drive, and in general a fresh install to Windows is always better. You will get a better performance and less problems. Now if you tried Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, using the Windows 10 is still a better option. It's still a good operating system to use. And if you are looking for different options, you can check my video about the best Linux distros that you can use instead of Windows 11. I hope that you find this video useful. If you did, a like will be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, bye.